Daily routine use action verbs. Iron. Iron. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. Run. Run. I am running on the road. I am running on the road. Eat. Eat. I am eating my dinner. I am eating my dinner. Walk. Walk. I am walking in my lawn. I am walking in my lawn. Wink. Wink. The stars are winking in the night sky. The stars are winking in the night sky. Fall. Fall. She is falling on the floor. She is falling on the floor. Sweep. Sweep. Nancy is sweeping on the floor. Nancy is sweeping on the floor. Mop. Mop. He is mopping on the floor. He is mopping on the floor. Brush. Brush. I am brushing my teeth twice a day. I am brushing my teeth twice a day. Yawn. Yawn. I am yawning when I sleep late. I am yawning when I sleep late. Tired. Tired. I feel so tired because of workload. I feel so tired because of workload. Chew. Chew. I am chewing my food. I am chewing my food. Lick. Lick. I lick my favorite ice cream. I lick my favorite ice cream. Sink. Sink. The ship was sinking in the water. The ship was sinking in the water. Float. Float. I am floating on the pool. I am floating on the pool. Watch. Watch. I am watching my favorite show. I am watching my favorite show. Wash. Wash. I wash my hands after eat food. I wash my hands after eat food. Swim. Swim. My friend swims when he is free. My friend swims when he is free. Drone. Drone. My auntie was droning almost, but now she is alive. Knock. Knock. He is knocking the office door. He is knocking the office door. Crawl. Crawl. My baby sister is crawling on the floor. My baby sister is crawling on the floor. Sew. Sew. She is sewing my clothes. She is sewing my clothes. Skate. Skate. She is skating on the ice floor. She is skating on the ice floor. Slide. Slide. We are sliding from slider. We are sliding from slider. Hang. Hang. I am hanging out my clothes. I am hanging out my clothes. Listen. Listen. He listens his favorite music. He listens his favorite music. Fold. Fold. Mom and Dad fold my clothes. Mom and Dad fold my clothes. Hug. Hug. My mother hugged me when I came at home. My mother hugged me when I came at home. Kiss. Kiss. My mommy kissed me tightly. My mommy kissed me tightly. Spit. Spit. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Collect. Collect. We collect many things. We collect many things. Read and study. Read and study. I am studying because my exams are near. I am studying because my exams are near. Bath. Bath. I take a bath daily. I take a bath daily. Cook. Cook. I am cooking delicious food. I am cooking delicious food. Pluck. Pluck. She plucks some flower for her mom. She plucks some flower for her mom. Relax. Relax. He is relaxing on his office for some time. He is relaxing on his office for some time. Make. Make. She makes a cake for her birthday. She makes a cake for her birthday. Jump. Jump. Do not jump on the bed. Do not jump on the bed. Cry. Cry. She is crying for her candy. She is crying for her candy. Laugh. Laugh. She is laughing on his joke. She is laughing on his joke. Think. Think. I am thinking too much. I am thinking too much. Play. Play. I am playing with my friends. I am playing with my friends. Read. Read. He is reading an interesting book. He is reading an interesting book. Write. Write. I am writing my notes. I am writing my notes. Dance. Dance. She is dancing on the party. She is dancing on the party. Ride. Ride. He is riding bike very fast. He is riding bike very fast. Drive. Drive. My mother drives on the roadside. My mother drives on the roadside. Fight. Fight. She is fighting with him. She is fighting with him. Climb. Climb. He is climbing on the tree. He is climbing on the tree. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep on my time. I sleep on my time. Sing. Sing. She is singing a song nicely. She is singing song nicely. Teach. Teach. My teacher teaches us math. My teacher teaches us math. Clap. Clap. All are clapping for his good performance. All are clapping for his good performance. Do exercise. Do exercise. I should do exercise daily. I should do exercise daily. Work. Work. They are working in an office. They are working in an office. Skip rope. Skip rope. Children are enjoying with skip rope. Children are enjoying with skip rope. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.